In the fast-paced world of today, handling money can be difficult. But worry not. We have 10 easy yet effective money-saving suggestions. These pointers might be useful whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a dream vacation, or just to reduce wasteful spending. So grab a seat because we are about to take you on a financial tour. Let's explore the realm of doable and efficient money-saving techniques that everybody can use. Are you prepared to manage your money? Now let's get going. Like and subscribe to our channel for expert tips, practical advice, and money-saving strategies that will help you achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. Tip 1. Budgeting Basics. Budgeting, the cornerstone of sound financial management, comes first on our list of easy money-saving suggestions. It guides you through your spending and savings like a financial roadmap. Start by being aware of the monthly expenses. Make a budget that lists all of your revenue and allocates the various types of expenses. This graphic overview can help you understand your spending patterns. Recall that managing a budget is about making wise decisions rather than self-stripping. You can find areas where you can make savings increases, make cuts, and move closer to your financial objectives by keeping a close eye on your finances. So, let's begin your journey to financial well-being with Tip 1. Budgeting Basics. Grab a pen and paper or use an app. Tip 2. Smart grocery shopping. Groceries, one of our everyday necessities, are the subject of our second money-saving suggestion. Planning ahead is key to smart grocery shopping. It's not just about packing your basket. Prior to heading to the store, start by writing a list and follow it strictly. This one action can control your expenditure and stop impulsive purchases. In addition, look for generic names, compare pricing, and think about purchasing larger quantities of goods that have a longer shelf life. Making thoughtful supermarket selections helps you avoid wasting food and save money. Prepare to change the way you buy with tip number 2. Smart grocery shopping. A tiny adjustment that has a significant influence on your spending. Tip 3. Energy-efficient living. Let's now discuss tip number 3, which is energy-efficient living. Making little eco-friendly adjustments at home can help you save money as well as the environment. When not in use, turn off lights and electronics, replace inefficient appliances with more energy-efficient ones, and pay attention to how much water you use. Your utility expenditures can be significantly reduced with these minor changes. Making the switch to energy-efficient behaviors will help you save money while also making a positive impact on the environment. Prepare to boost your savings with tip number 3. Energy-efficient living. A clever approach to a prudent financial and environmentally conscious lifestyle. Tip 4. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Let's explore tip number 4, which will completely transform your journey for financial freedom. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. In the era of digital services, it's simple to accrue memberships that you might not even realize you have. Every now and again, take a time to check your subscriptions. If a service isn't being used to its maximum potential, think about canceling it. You'll find extra money to put toward your objectives or savings by cutting out the unneeded expenses, which may seem like little monthly sums. Join us in adopting a leaner, more financially conscious lifestyle by simplifying your spending and embracing financial efficiency with Tip 4. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Tip 5. DIY and repurpose. Tip 5 encourages you to use DIY and repurpose projects to express your creativity. Creating something unique out of commonplace stuff not only makes you happy, but it also saves money. Try creating items at home or repurposing what you already have rather than going for your wallet. It's an economical method of achieving your goals with the least amount of waste. Take that worn-out blouse and that piece of furniture, and let's work together to transform them into something amazing. Tip 5 offers an economical and enjoyable way to live a budget-friendly lifestyle. Follow it to embrace the art of DIY and repurpose. Tip 6. Credit card wisdom. Now, let's discuss Tip 6. Credit card wisdom, which is an important part of sound financial management. When used sensibly, credit cards may be effective instruments. To start, pay off your entire sum each month to save money on interest. Seek out credit cards with benefits that make sense for you and that correspond with your spending patterns. Using credit cards responsibly not only improves credit history, but also makes cashback, points, and travel benefits available. As you navigate the world of plastic, remember to apply Tip 6, credit card wisdom, which is essential to prudent and well-thought-out financial planning. Tip 7, emergency fund. Let's now concentrate on Tip 7, which is creating an emergency fund. This is a crucial step in safeguarding your financial future. Because life is unpredictable, having a safety net of funds can be extremely beneficial. A little sum should be saved each month to begin with until you have a comfortable cushion. This fund will serve as a buffer against unforeseen costs, preventing you from having to use credit or deplete your savings during difficult periods. Tip 7. Emergency fund is a proactive step towards financial stability and peace of mind. Join us on this path towards financial resilience. Tip 8. Comparison shopping. Now let's explore. Tip 8. Comparison shopping. A clever way to find the best value. Shop around for a little before you buy anything. You can be confident you're getting the greatest deal when you compare costs for electronics, clothes, and food. Use internet resources, mobile applications, and traditional research methods to compare pricing, offers, and discounts from various vendors. You can make better informed purchases and save money by developing your shopping savvy. Tip 8. Comparison. Shopping is your key to making budget-friendly decisions and leading a more financially savvy lifestyle. Come seek for deals with us. Tip 9. Plan meals and reduce food waste. The core of real savings is covered in Tip 9, meal planning and minimizing food waste. Meal planning helps you save time by reducing the number of needless excursions to the grocery store. Plan your meals for the coming week, make a grocery list, and follow it. To further reduce food waste, learn how to use leftovers creatively. This small but effective approach helps you live a more sustainable lifestyle in addition to saving money on groceries. Come cook with us as we discuss Tip 9. Plan meals and reduce food waste. A tasty yet effective method to cut costs and waste. Tip 10. Set financial goals. As we come to the end of our quest to becoming financially aware, Tip 10 is all about aiming high. Establish financial goals. Set specific, attainable financial goals at the outset, such as retirement planning, a down payment on a home, or savings for a dream vacation. Establishing goals gives your financial path focus and direction. Divide your objectives into more doable, smaller segments and acknowledge and appreciate your progress at each stage. Tip 10. Set financial goals is your compass to successfully navigate the seas of financial achievement. Join us in imagining a financially secure future. As we come to the end of our investigation of 10 easy money-saving tips, keep in mind that modest adjustments can have a big impact. Every piece of advice, from the fundamentals of budgeting to creating financial objectives, is essential to your quest for financial security. We've given you useful advice on how to manage your money, increase your savings, and accomplish your objectives. It's time for you to take off on this financial journey now. Put these suggestions into practice, share your stories, and check back for more thought-provoking articles. Start with these 10 easy steps to financial